Hey there. I'm not used to doing videos, anything like this, but I just thought it was important to talk about Preston Martelly. I met Preston in January, and after 5 minutes, I knew he would be the perfect person for our business, jubsies.ca. It's the communication, the work ethic. I could not have been more happy meeting someone like Preston to helping our business get off the ground. It's invaluable. And, not only is he somebody we're doing business with, but I consider him one of my best friends now. And I look forward to doing more business with him in the future. Hey, Preston, thank you so much for all your hard work with all the digital marketing and everything to get our Jubsies women's apparel business off the ground. Thank you.